In this video, I'm going to show you how to change the rear turn signal bulbs in a Kia Sportage. This should be the same for about 2017 to 2022. Now the turn signal bulbs are inside the bumper. Now looking at it from the outside, it looks like it might be a hard job. But if you follow along step by step, we'll get these changed out and get this vehicle back on the road. I'm going to be installing LED bulbs, so they should last a lifetime. You probably never have to change these again. So let's get started. Now this is the passenger side that is currently working correctly. You'll see the bulb inside there. And that's what makes it look like it's going to be very difficult to change, but it's really not. We're going to have to do this underneath the car. So we're on the passenger side. The exhaust is right here. So if you come over right here, you'll see this plastic pop rivet right here. And then there's another one right here. We just need to remove those two plastic pop rivets. Now to remove them, the easiest thing is one of these trim removal tools like this. You just simply go underneath, pull that one there out, and then we'll do the same thing to the other one. And now with those out of the way, there's a little tab right here, so you just kind of need to pop this down, and you're just going to kind of pry on it a little bit, and now you can get your hand up in there. Now the easiest thing to do is you get a bungee cord, put it around this hole, and then you can loop it around the exhaust, and that will hold down that flap for you. And then there's what it looks on this side, so then you can easily get your hand up inside there. So with that flap pulled down out of the way, you can easily see the two bulbs. The one bulb is reversed, the one is turn signal. So you just need to rotate it to the left or counterclockwise and pull the bulb housing out. And after you rotate that to the left or counterclockwise, you just pull straight down, and now you have access to the bulb. Now you just push in, rotate left or counterclockwise, and the bulb will come right out. Here's the factory original bulb on the left. Here's the LED bulb on the right. Here's the package that it comes in. And I'll put a link in the description down below on how to get these off Amazon. All right, so now to reinstall this new bulb, you push in, turn to the right. You'll see it lock into place. All right, so now I've got the bulb pushed into place. I'm turning to the right or clockwise. And now the bulb is locked into place. Now check out how much brighter that bulb is. So we're going to go ahead and do the same thing on the driver's side. Got the pop rivets out. I've got my bungee cord on. It's going across. I just hooked that on the other side of the exhaust as well. And that gives me a nice big opening to get my hand up in there. I've got the new bulb in place, pushing it up into the housing, just rotating it to the right to lock it into place. And I just want to make sure that I'm testing the bulbs before I put everything back together. Bulbs are working. We'll let go of that bungee cord. You see this little tab right here? You're going to push that up a little bit. And then just kind of push this plastic piece into place. So now we want to reinstall these pop rivets. Just go ahead and squeeze these together a couple times. You see how they're flared out? It'll just help make it go into the hole a little easier. And now you want to install it where you see this big gap like that. You don't want this pushed in, so you want to have a gap there to reinstall. And then you're just going to line up the hole. Give it a little turn, that will help it kind of line up. Just push straight up. And that's all there is to it, guys. I hope this video made this job a little bit easier for you. You didn't have to take it to a dealership, and you got it done in your own garage. Hope you guys enjoy the video, and thanks for watching.